How's everybody doing out there? First of all, my name is Kenneth Bird. I'm the creator of Crystal Edge Technology Screens using Smart Technology Gain. Got through that one without coughing. I think the code is about to leave. Wait, spoke too soon. Alright, so today we're talking about our TI-47. This is our ECLIPSE TI-47 SLATE 4K Gold. For those of you that are curious about the wallpaper screens, they are coming out today. We'll be going down to UPS and picking up our sample to begin the process of showing off the screen in its full form. That small sample sheet is not the actual screen. The sample sheet we have that we get from another company who manufactures that surface for us to be the coat. That's where that screen came from. So we need to get it over here so we can finish it off. Alright, so that's going to be done today. As for the launch date for the screen, it will be for the 16th, but it'll be later on in the evening around 8 o'clock. We'll have it uploaded on the website. Okay, for now, this next actually demonstration I'm doing right now, this is very interesting because we have a new package kit that will be available for the TI-47, and it's going to be a very interesting kit. But first of all, let's talk about the technology behind the TI-47 and how advanced these screens are. Not only do they take in tons of ambient light, as you can see, we have window light. I have condensed lighting that constantly hits my screen. This is why I like to do the projector in blank mode or just put it in a dark mode on the dark scenery, so you can see how much physical light hits my screen. It's not enough that we have window light hitting the screen, but I have physical light coming from my condensed lighting. And for those of you who have condensed lighting in your home, this is something you don't have to worry about from our technology, because I've done this technology downstairs on that 116.9 tension screen with all that lighting, and it looks fantastic. As a matter of fact, I'll do a demonstration on that later on today, showing you again the advancements of the screen paint that will allow you to turn just about anything you want into a high performance screen. Now, this is the thing you have to watch out for, and I explained this before. You'll have people trying to prove that their technology can take in light. And if your technology can take in that kind of light, why would the majority of your videos start off in the dark? See, we do our demonstrations, our lights are on. So it proves that our technology works in the light. We don't have to do a special, what you call, controlled environment in order to be able to set up that particular video to make the screen look well in light. We do this on an everyday basis. So that tells you the difference between our technology and what's on the market. But I'm going to go a step farther and showing you how advanced this technology is. Now, I'm going to come over to the screen, and I'm going to show you that we're using the Cinema Grade 5D by Elite Screens. That has a 1.5 gain. We're going to use the Dark Star 9. Make sure that's flat, nice and flat to the screen. And of course, as always, you know what it's going to be, the DMP Supernova. Alright, so we're using their Infinity screen today. We had the blade downstairs. Now keep in mind, my screen is not 100 inches. My screen is my squeaky floor. My screen is 168 inches, 235.1. That's how big my screen is. Alright, so let's begin and let's start the demonstration. You see my windows are open, plenty of lights coming in. Well lit environment. So let's begin and show you how advanced our technology is. Now, not only is my screen going to be able to perform well in this well-lit environment, as you can see already, but it's going to be able to outperform these three sample sheets with no problem. As I said, I can go anywhere I want my environment, and that screen's going to look fantastic. Now keep in mind that the DMP Supernova is going to cost you in a price range of $4,000 to $5,000. That's just for 100 inch. The Elite Dark Star 9, between $2,000 and $3,000 just for 100 inch. The Great Cinema 5D, probably around $1,200, $1,300 just for 100 inch. This screen right here is 168 inches at 235.1, and the price for a 1 gallon kit is around $324. Do the math. You know, we have some people saying they can save you hundreds. We save you thousands. Now that's our screen on an angle. Take our lights out, doesn't make a difference. I'm going to close the blinds. Doesn't make a difference. Our screen still outperforms. Keep in mind, this is on a 720p projector, 600 by 800 res. That's it. And this is how bright the condensed lighting is. Look at the fireplace. So again, sorry about the squeaky floor, I can't help that. I'm gonna come back here just a minute. Bring it back just a minute. I want you to see how wide my windows open, how much light I have coming through my windows. Look at that screen. Look at those sample sheets. Fully lit environment. This is my front door. And I got a big glass window right here, big glass. So I got my front door open right here. Window open, all my lights on. Look how bright my environment is. Alright, I'm Kenneth Bird from Crystal Edge Technology Screens. Using smart technology gain. Hope you enjoyed the video demonstration. Let me go back there a minute because I'm having fun with this. Hope you enjoyed the video demonstration. Look at that. Hold on, I gotta come over here for a minute. Show you this. I got a big glass door, literally. Like I said, sorry about the creaking on the floor. I do apologize for that. Sit here for a minute. Look at the sample sheet. Not only is my screen taking in all this light, but consider the fact that it's outperforming some very expensive sample sheets with no problem whatsoever. Alright, so I forgot to add something in there really quick. Like I said, sorry about the squeaking on the floor. It's one of the things I have to deal with here, my squeaky floor. But let me explain something to you really quick. We have a new kit coming out very soon, actually to be available sorry about that, at the end of this week. Now this screen paint is going to be the ultimate screen paint kit, which means it is going to be the 3-gallon kit, a 3-gallon TI-47 kit that is going to come with a free blackout cloth surface. Get this, not 9 by 12, not 10 by 12, but 10 by 20 feet. That's how huge this surface is, and it's free. 10 by 20 feet. It's going to come with 3 gallons, and it's going to come with the roller. It's going to come with the paint pan. It's going to come with the frog tape. Everything you need to get it going. Even I'm considering throwing in the brackets to build your frame. So this is going to be the ultimate kit. Now, keep in mind, for right now, it's only going to be available in the US, but as we start working on the prices with a shipping carrier, it will be available overseas. All right. So keep in mind, I'm going to post all the stuff that's going to be added in with this mega kit, the TI-47, the Ultimate Supreme Kit. Everything that's going to be included in with it. I'll put that at the bottom. Please check it out so you can see what's going to be coming with that mega kit. It is going to be absolutely insane. This is for those of you that are out there that are looking to build the ultimate gigantic home theater setup. And keep in mind, the screen paint is weatherproof, so you can build a great outdoor cinema outside. Now, keep in mind, you don't need to use a blackout cloth if you don't want. You can paint this on anything you want. You can paint this on your pre-existing projection screen. You can paint this on brick. You can paint on wood. You can paint on glass, plexiglass, whatever you want. You can do it. You can spray it. You can roll it. It's up to you. Alright, hope you enjoyed the video demonstration. I'd like to thank you all for watching. Today, later on, I'll be able to show up the wallpaper screen. Thank you all for watching.